welcome to the Maths Studios. So like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications. Happy learning.
Alright, so let's start with the classification of numbers. Over here we are going to study 6 types of numbers, but in this video I'll be doing only 3 types. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational, irrational and real numbers. These are the classification, but I in this video will be telling you about natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So let's see what are these types of numbers. Now let's move on to the first one, that is natural numbers. Now what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are basically called the counting numbers because they start from number 1 and from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till infinity. So natural numbers, they start from 1. This is very important to remember, that natural numbers, they start from 1 till infinity. And there is something else that you need to remember. In natural numbers, you should not include what? Do not include in natural numbers. The first type of numbers are number 1, the decimal numbers. You should not include the decimal numbers. Number 2, fractions are not a part of natural numbers. And the last one is 0. 0 is not a natural number. You need to remember this as well. All right. So whenever you are going to write or know about natural numbers, you should know that decimals, fractions and zeros are not a part of natural numbers. Let's now move on to the second type of numbers, that is whole numbers. Now if you see on this number line resembles the natural number line except for this 0. It means that in whole numbers we have to include the 0 which was not there in the natural numbers. So natural whole numbers, they start from 0 till infinity. Again, do not include in whole numbers. And what should not be included in whole numbers? You are not going to include the decimal numbers, and the fractions. So this is all what whole numbers are about. Again, let me repeat, 0 is included in whole numbers and 0 is not included in natural numbers. Now let's move on to the last type of numbers that we are going to learn today, and those are the integers. So let's move down and see what kind of numbers are integers. So let's see and learn. Alright, let me show you a number line which represents the integers. Now integers are numbers that are both positive and negative. Let me show you this number line. Over here you can see that there are positive integers and there are negative integers. Negative integers and positive integers. Negative integers, they start with minus. All numbers, as you can see on your left hand side, are negative numbers, and all numbers that you see on your right hand side are positive numbers, means that they will be having a plus sign may or may not be having a plus sign, but they are all positive. So the numbers from 0 to left are negative and numbers from 0 to right are all positive numbers. But something that is very important over here is that integers include the 0. Though it is neither positive nor negative, still 0 is going to be included in integers. Alright, but the things which you not have to include here, the numbers that you should not include are the decimal numbers and the fractions. So again, you have to remember that in integers we will include a 0, right? And 0 is neither positive nor negative, and we cannot include the decimal numbers in integers, and we cannot include the fractions. So natural numbers, where we do not include a 0. However, in whole numbers and in integers, the digit 0 is included. Hope you have understood.